Hi, I'm Carlos Vargas, an industrial microbiologist and specialist in food safety and health. I'm currently working on the campaign to promote the national vaccination plan and study the intention of the population in Colombia regarding vaccination against COVID-19. I evaluate the doubts that the population present regarding vaccine and vaccination plan, and I'm in charge of debunk myths and misleading information. In this way, I work for the Colombian population. In Colombia, since March 18, there have been more than 2 million confirmed cases of COVID-19, 55,000 active cases, and 56,000 deaths. Of this population, a significant part show feeling of concern as follows. 34% of these people say they were very worried about contracting the coronavirus. 31% were little worried about, and 21% was somewhat concerned. 9% say they were not at all worried, and 4% of these people was indifferent. Also, 55% of the population intends to get vaccinated, while 44% have no intention for fear of the symptoms, adverse effects of the vaccine, or believing that the vaccine is not effective enough. Some people have heard myths that say that the vaccine can make young men and women sterile, and that in this way it is planned to do a population control and thus reduce the entire world population in the next 10 years. This is an example of misleading and malicious information that can be found in social media. The population in Colombia with fewer studies show less intention to be vaccinated and believe the information received from different sources such voice to voice, social network, television, and radio. However, confirmation from scientific sources and rigor in the veracity of the information are not involved. The Colombian population has an important concern for children and elderly and take action to promote their safety. If the majority of the Colombians are vaccinated against COVID-19, then we can protect our children and grandparents. Classes will return in school and universities. Economic and cultural life will return, and progress will return to our families. Thank you for listening. Take an informed decision to use the vaccine, and this way we will all be able to leave the pandemic behind. For more information, contact the number 316-227-2775 or write to us to bar 13011 at BYUI.edu. DSM Brighter Lives.